Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best non-expiring demo Forex accounts. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Demo accounts became widespread in the 21st century, along with online trading. They are marketed to customers as a way for a new client to test a platform's user experience and features before committing their own money or paying the platform trading commissions. Traders who are searching for some of the best non-expiring demo Forex accounts can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best non-expiring demo Forex accounts. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Alpari International. Alpari is an FSC-regulated Forex broker that offers flexible accounts, plenty of educational resources, and support for MetaTrader 4 and 5. This broker was founded in 1998 in Kingstown and has secured the trust of more than 2 million clients worldwide. There are currently 8 head offices around the world, and Alpari has grown into one of the largest global brands in the Forex industry. As an Alpari client, you can trade a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals and CFDs, and there are more than 250 tradable instruments to choose from. You can start trading with as little as $5 when you open an account with Alpari, and your trades can be leveraged by up to 1,000 times your initial deposit amount. With Alpari International, reduced negative slippage rates are guaranteed, and requote rates are incredibly low, even when the markets are volatile. Not only is Alpari a great option for beginners, but we would also recommend this broker if you are interested in copy trading, or if you would like to be a strategy manager for other traders. Alpari offers standard, micro, pro, and ECN accounts that are suitable for all types of traders, from beginners and copy traders to retail traders and professionals. All accounts can be funded using US dollars, euros, Great British pounds, or the Nigerian naira, and the lowest minimum deposit requirement is $5 on the MetaTrader 4 account. Their standard accounts are commission-free with instant execution guaranteed, and they can be converted to swap-free accounts for Muslim clients, and spreads start from 1.2 pips. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. You can also use the Alpari application to easily manage your trading accounts, trade your favorite instruments, and monitor all your trades from one screen. Alpari is a great option for beginners because they provide plenty of trading guides, tips for successful trading, guides on Forex trading strategies, and much more. There are also online workshops and webinars that are conducted by trading experts, and you can read the articles provided to gain more insights into Forex trading and what it's like to be a trader. With over 2 million clients trading on Alpari servers, you can rest assured that you will be trading in active markets with deep liquidity and many opportunities to make a profit. Alpari guarantees low slippage, minimal requotes, and instant trade executions, so you will always be ahead of the game with this broker. At number 4 on our list is InstaForex. InstaForex is a leading online CYSEC-regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2007. InstaForex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through Forex. Shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Untitled, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. InstaForex provides two main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are two cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. InstaForex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. Coming in at number 3, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 2 on our list is RoboMarkets. RoboMarkets is one of our top-rated beginner-friendly brokers. This company was founded in 2012, and they are regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the financial regulatory agency of Cyprus. RoboMarkets have won dozens of awards over the years for being safe, offering the best trading conditions, and for providing the best mobile trading platform. As a RoboMarkets client, you will have access to more than 12,000 Forex pairs, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. They offer 5 flexible, low-cost accounts, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. RoboMarkets accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. RoboMarkets also offers an exceptional proprietary trading platform known as RStoxTrader. And this platform was designed specifically for trading thousands of CFDs and stocks on offer. This platform has a built-in algorithmic strategy builder, and you can research and analyze market conditions down to the finest details with the Level 2 market depth, as well as time and sales data provided. In addition to the tools and features you get with MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as RStoxTrader, RoboMarkets also provides advanced trading calculators, in-depth financial charts, and an updated economic calendar that you can use to keep track of major economic events. RoboMarkets offers 5 types of accounts, and they also give their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap free accounts. Unlike most other brokers, a minimum deposit of $100 is required to use any of these accounts. So more experienced traders don't have to make larger deposits to use professional accounts, which usually offer tighter spreads, higher leverage, and more advanced trading tools. The maximum leverage allowed at RoboMarkets is 1 to 300. However, the leverage you can use will depend on your level of trading experience and knowledge of trading. If you are trading for the first time, or you would like to test your strategies, we would recommend the ProCent account. The ProCent account comes with loyalty bonuses, deposit bonuses, and one-click trading. This account offers floating spreads starting from 1.3 pips, and you can use it to trade a wide range of CFDs on Forex pairs, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Their Prime account or their Electronic Communication Network account offer floating spreads starting as low as 0 pips and are eligible for all loyalty bonuses. They are both market execution accounts, but the Prime account offers the best trading conditions overall, while the ECN account offers the lowest spreads, more currency pairs, and the fastest execution. However, both accounts are great for intermediate and professional traders. Their RStoxTrader account is designed specifically for stock trading on the RStoxTrader platform, and it can be used to trade more than 12,000 stocks. The spreads and commission fees on this account are incredibly low, and it is the only account that can be converted to a swap-free account. The main difference between these accounts is that the ProCent account is a cent account that can only be used to trade Forex pairs, metals, and cryptocurrencies. However, the Pro account can be used to trade all instruments offered and is one of the most popular accounts amongst RoboMarkets clients. RoboMarkets provides introductory guides for beginners that will help you open your account and make your first trade. There are also guides that will help you choose the right platform and account for you. Once your account is set up, you can visit the RoboMarkets Analytics Center. Here you will find weekly reviews, updates on key economic news, overall market overviews, wave analysis, and more. They also provide dozens of technical indicator signals that are displayed in table format and are available on 7 timeframes. We would also recommend watching the RoboMarkets webinars to gain expert insights into the markets and exclusive trading tips, and you can also read through their blogs to learn more about stock trading and investing. RoboMarkets is one of our top-rated all-in-one brokers for beginners, professionals, and all types of traders in between. They offer flexible accounts with tight spreads and thousands of tradable instruments, so we highly recommend trading with them if you would like to trade stocks and CFDs, and especially if you are a high-volume trader, so that you can earn cashback rewards every month. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best non-expiring demo Forex accounts, we have Libertex. Libertex is an online Forex and CFD brokerage brand, which is the trading arm of Indication Investments Limited, which is a part of the Forex Club Group. Libertex is regulated by the CYSEC and was founded in 2014, and offers traders currency pairs, stocks, crypto assets, metals, indices, agricultural products, as well as oil and gas instruments. Featured platforms are available on the Libertex proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Libertex offers a demo account, a real account, and a professional account. In order to apply for a professional account, you will be required to meet the criteria provided. Their real accounts feature Gold, Gold Plus, Platinum, and VIP statuses. Libertex also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner lessons on getting started with trading, a variety of webinars that you can sign up to, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with Libertex. And those are some of the top 5 best non-expiring demo Forex accounts on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.